Hi, this is Sheri Summers, and I have an American English pronunciation tip for you. Somebody just recently asked me about how to pronounce the word refrigerator. So I know it's a little bit tough. Let's break it down. Take a look at this second syllable here. That'll give us a clue. This syllable is pronounced fridge. Fridge. Now we have the FR there, so that's a combination sound. Fr. And that I in there is what we call a short I. It's the same I as in fish or hit, H-I-T. And the G here happens to sound like a J, just like the J sounds, and this is the symbol for that. So fridge is our second syllable, and it just so happens that fridge is also the way we usually say the word. Often we'll use the shortcut fridge rather than refrigerator. So this is pronounced exactly the same as that second syllable. Fridge. Fridge. So now that we have that, let's go back and look at the other syllables. The first syllable is weak. That means we're going to say instead of the E there. This is a schwa. We'll say r. So it's a very small syllable right here. We go refridge, and now we're going to make a very small sound again. Refrigerator. And that T-O-R right here is also very weak. The T sounds soft. It almost sounds like a D. This is what you get. A-raider. A-raider. So here's our word. Refrigerator. Refrigerator. So the second syllable is the most stressed. The first one is weak, the third one is weak, the fourth one is a little bit stronger, and the last one is weak. Da 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 da. Refrigerator. 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 And there are other words that have the same kind of pattern. Let me show you some. Look at these four words. They all end in ater, and they have the exact same stress pattern as refrigerator, except for these ones are missing that extra syllable. These are just four-syllable words. So we have refrigerator, da 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 da. We'll avoid the first one if we have a four-syllable word. So listen to these. Elevator. Da 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 da. Sounds just the same, doesn't it? The ater sounds exactly the same. Elevator. Escalator. Motivator. And the movie Terminator. Terminator. So here they are again. Elevator. Escalator. Motivator. Terminator. And then of course our original word, refrigerator. Refrigerator. So I hope that helps. Practice it a bit and you'll be great.